Once upon a time, in a cheerful little town called Sparkleville, lived three best friends, Luna the Fox, Milo the Bear, and Pip the Rabbit. They were inseparable, and their days were filled with endless adventures. They built magnificent castles out of colorful blocks, painted vibrant rainbows that stretched across canvases, and enjoyed delicious picnics with all their favorite snacks. But you see, there was just one little problem. After all the fun, after all the laughter and excitement, no one wanted to clean up. Luna's room was a jungle of clothes and books. Milo's toys were scattered all over the floor like fallen leaves, and Pip's corner of the kitchen? The dishes were piled up so high they looked like a wobbly, teetering mountain. Cleaning is just so boring, Pip would sigh, looking at the mess. I'll do it later, Luna would say, stretching out comfortably on the couch, not wanting to move a muscle. Milo would just shrug his big bare shoulders. I can't even see the floor anymore. Oh well, he'd chuckle, and they'd all go on with their day, leaving the mess behind. One night, as the three friends were fast asleep, something truly magical happened. A soft, warm, golden light began to fill their room. It swirled and danced in the air, growing brighter and brighter. And out of that beautiful glow appeared a tiny, sparkling figure. He was Sir Sparkle, the guardian of the tidy kingdom. He was small and bright, and he carried a little broom that he held proudly, just like a knight's sword. He floated gently down to the floor and looked around at the messy room with a kind smile. "Good evening, my messy heroes," Sir Sparkle said, his voice as soft as a whisper. "You have certainly made quite a disaster in Sparkleville. But I am here to teach you the magic of cleaning, if you are ready to learn." The friends sat up in their beds, their eyes wide with wonder. "Magic! We love magic!" they all whispered excitedly. Sir Sparkle nodded, his sparkle twinkling. "Then listen very carefully. The magic of cleaning isn't about waving a wand. It's about something much more powerful: respect. When you care for your things, they last longer and bring you more joy. When your space shines, your mind shines too. That is the real magic." He then gave each of the friends a special mission, a golden star task. To Luna, he said, "Your task is to organize your room. Fold your clothes neatly, stack your books on the shelf, and make your bed." To Milo, he said, "Your task is to wash and dry the dishes after dinner, making them shine like new." And to Pip, he gave this task. "You will put away all the toys neatly after playtime, so each one has its proper home. Every time you finish your task," Sir Sparkle explained, "your golden star will begin to glow. When all three of your stars shine together, something wonderful will happen." And with a final, brilliant twinkle, he vanished. The next morning, the friends remembered Sir Sparkle's words. Luna went to her room. It looked like a big job. But she started by folding one shirt, then another. She stacked her books and fluffed her pillow. When she finally finished, she looked around. Her room felt so calm and peaceful. She saw a faint, soft glow coming from a little golden star hovering near her bed. "It feels so good in here," she said with a proud smile. After lunch, it was Milo's turn. He went to the sink and started washing the dishes. Splash, scrub, rinse. He even hummed a little tune. It wasn't boring at all. Soon, all the dishes were clean and dry. And right next to him, his own golden star began to shimmer. "Hey, this is actually kind of fun when we do it right away," he laughed. Later that afternoon, after building an amazing fort, Pip remembered his task. He carefully picked up each block, each toy car, and each stuffed animal, placing them back in their boxes. "Now I can find everything when I need it for our next adventure," he said happily, as his golden star lit up, bright and proud. That night, as the friends got ready for bed, their three golden stars floated above them. They glowed softly at first, then brighter and brighter, until they moved towards each other and joined together in one big, magnificent light. Suddenly, a gentle whoosh of magic swept through their entire house. Everything sparkled, the floors gleamed, the dishes shone on their shelves, the toys were snug in their boxes, and the air smelled fresh and clean. Sir Sparkle appeared one last time, his smile bigger than ever. "Well done, my friends. You have discovered the secret. You've learned that cleaning isn't a punishment. It's a power. the power to create a tidy space that gives you peace, pride, and even more room for joy. From that day on, Luna, Milo, and Pip always cleaned up after themselves. It became a happy part of their day, a team effort. They even made up a little song they would sing together. Clean it up, put it away, make it shine, and brighten our day. And every single time they sang it, the whole town of Sparkleville seemed to sparkle just a little bit brighter. Thanks for watching our story today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.